Okay, I'm been asked a lot, for those companies that have cut back on marketing, what they should do. These are typically mid-level marketers. They're saying, hey, my company's cut my budget off. I still am required to sell product. Very difficult in these times. And hey, I agree with you. I can sympathize. This is the toughest market you're probably ever going to face, really. However, there are some things you could be doing right now that will cost you very little money and drive sales, especially if you've got a good offer and a good product. What is that? It's affiliate marketing. I know some of you from before that have used affiliate marketing feel like this could be, a sketchy situation, but I assure you the market's cleaning itself up. There's a lot of platforms that track fraud, that track these affiliates and make sure that they're doing ethical things. So you've got to take a look at this if you're selling online or you're just coming online, because you don't pay anything to these people unless they sell your product or service. So an affiliate is simply a person, a group of people, maybe a small company that's creating traffic that directly intersects with your target customers. And most affiliates operate within one niche or maybe a couple of different niches. So the key is to find those affiliates that are talking to your potential customers. Then you have to put a reward system in place that rewards these affiliates more than anything else that they're working on. Why is that? Because they're already generating the traffic. What they put in front of those people, the traffic that's coming in, they want to maximize their revenue, just like you do in business. That's how it works. So you've got to come up with an incentive system that rewards them to the point where they're putting your product in front of their traffic and no one else's, because they're not making money by putting your product in front of the traffic. They're making money when that traffic buys something. So for them, it's really important for you to put together a reward system that makes a lot of sense. And then finally, a lot of companies I see make this mistake. You've got to have a landing page and kind of this sales funnel approach that maximizes conversions. And a lot of companies don't get this right. I realize that. So what I want you to do is go after affiliates that will tell you how to improve it. And the good ones will tell you how to improve it. The great ones will help you fix it. Look for great. Finally, for tracking and sales purposes, you need a platform. It's just too hard to kind of track this thing on a spreadsheet unless you have a big company. But if you're a big company, you can afford some of these platforms, especially my favorite, which is Impact. It used to be called Impact Radius. There's also Flex Offers and Tune, and there's Share a Sale at the low end. Each have their own strengths and weaknesses, so I encourage you to check them out. So that's it at a high level. If you want to learn more or you want us to help you, let me know at the link below. Otherwise, heed this advice, go affiliate marketing, no payments to these affiliates unless they sell something. It's almost a no-lose situation if you know what you're doing.